single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Caroline. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'll be doing a totally different video today. I'm used to see me doing hair videos, so today's video will be a little bit different. I'll be unboxing something that I just received on my mail, so let's get started. I just received this a few hours ago, so let's unbox together. So let's continue with our unboxing. So this is just like something to help relieve any sort of pressure or prevent the gadget from any danger. So this is the LG G8 Thin Q. It's just brand new. I just received it, and received it from Sprint. So we'll continue to do the rest of the unboxing. So it's just sealed. It's Wi-Fi certified. It has Bluetooth compatibility. It has, what other features? So it's LG G8 Thin Q. It has an energy efficient charger, USB Type-C cable, and then they have the booklet for the phone. Let's go ahead to see what is inside the phone. I mean the box, that is. Wow, this looks nice. This is like for wiping the screen. It's very, very cute. I like it. Wow, look at this. Very, very beautiful phone. Wow, it's dope. I like it already. It has hair motion, it has hand ID, it has crystal sound OLED. There is also Google Assistant button, Qualcomm Snapdragon, and so many other features. We are yet to see what is inside, but it's a very sleek phone. Wow, so shiny. Wow, I'm in love with it already. Let's see what is in here. This is just like a thank you note. Congratulations, enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a free second year limited warranty coverage. I'm here to check that out. I'll check it later. What is in here? This is a SIM or mem card ejector. This is for removing the mem card when you want to use it, or when you want to insert the SIM card. This is a manual, the user manual. They've packed it so well you would think it's something else. Then there's the charger. It's a fast charger. Then a USB cable, and it's also for charging as well. So basically that's what is in the box. So let's see the phone itself now. Wow, it's great. It's so beautiful. just continuing the setup. The most of the features in this phone, I think I'll check it out later, but I just wanted to unbox it with you guys. Mostly when I'm looking for a phone, I usually like a phone with a very good camera and very good storage system. The appearance for me should be very nice as well. I expected it comes with a back cover because I like to protect my phone at all times, but it doesn't have. So I'll also get a screen protector as well. I think I'll order online or something like that. So let it activate so that we can see how the camera looks like. That is my most important thing in a phone. The rest of the other things, they don't really matter to me. And maybe the other thing I like in a phone is the way it's able to stay with the charge, or how many hours it takes once you've charged it. So I think those are some of the things that we can look at